At dahil Thursday ay CDC Day, ihahatid namin sa inyo mga programa at proyekto ng Clark Development Corporation para sa patuloy na pag-unlad ng Clark Freeport Zone tungo sa isang bagong Pilipinas. Isang electronics company nagtataguyod ng 100% renewable energy operations sa loob ng Clark. Kasabay niya ng patuloy na paglawak ng kanilang manufacturing capabilities sa Freeport. Ang detalye niyan sa report na ito. Sa production line na ito, hindi lang tao ang nagbabantay sa kalidad ng bawat produkto. Habang tuloy-tuloy ang galaw ng robotic arm na ito, artificial intelligence o AI naman ang mabilis na sumusuri sa bawat piyesang dumadaan sa linya ng produksyon. Sa loob lamang ng ilang segundo, kaya nitong matukoy ang pinakamaliliit na detalyeng halos hindi mapapansin ng ating mga mata. Isang teknolohiyang dati madalas makita lamang sa malalaking high-tech facilities sa ibang bansa. Ngayon, ginagamit na rin sa kumpanyang ito. Ito ang SMK Electronics Philippines Corporation, isang kumpanyang gumagamit ng advanced manufacturing, automation, at clean energy operations sa loob ng Clark. Kilala sila sa paggawa ng electronic components para sa automotive, home electronics at industrial applications. At mula nang simulan nito ang operasyon sa Clark noong 2001, patuloy ring lumalawak ang kanilang manufacturing capabilities sa loob ng Freeport.
SMK Electronics Philippines Corporation is a manufacturing company engaged in the assembly and sale of touch panel displays, remote control units, connectors, and other electronic components. These products are used for automotive, home electronics, and other industrial applications. SMK Philippines was established in 1998 in Malolos, Bulacan, where it began operations with the production of remote controls and keyboards. In 2001, SMK Philippines relocated its operations to its current facility here in Clark Freeport Zone with the introduction of touch panel displays. In 2008, we expanded our product portfolio to include connectors. Then in 2016, we reintroduced remote control production for home electronics market, and most recently, the remote control for sanitary equipment. SMK Philippines is a wholly owned subsidiary of SMK Corporation with our headquarters in Tokyo, Japan. We are a part of SMK Group with global network sites in 34 sites for production, sales, and research and development.
Sa likod ng mga AI systems ng SMK ay isang Filipino lead engineer, si Engineer Patrick Canda. Sa pamamagitan ng sariling pag-aaral at karanasan sa production floor, nakabuo siya ng mga solusyong tumutulong ngayon sa mas mabilis at mas maayos na quality inspection ng mga produkto.
After developing our cobots, I saw that commercial AI vision was too expensive. So I taught myself YOLO AI architecture from scratch. Basically, the AI acts as digital safety net.
Dati, mano-manong sinusuri ang bawat produkto. Ngayon, may AI vision systems nang tumutulong sa pagtukoy ng mga posibleng depekto habang tuloy-tuloy ang produksyon. Mas napapabilis ang inspection habang nananatiling mahigpit ang quality control.
So for today, itutur ko po kayo sa production line. So yung nakikita nyo po sa likod, ito po ang manufacturing line ng remote control products na ginagawa ng SMK. So ito pong linya na ito ay mayroong mga AI-assisted machines and collaborative robots. So tingnan po natin. SMK is using AI. At itong process pong ito, ang isang example na ina-apply ng SMK ang artificial intelligence sa aming process. Makikita nyo, yung case B ng aming product, remote control, ay ina-attach doon sa nameplate. Yung operator natin, dati, nahihirapan na itama ang alignment. With the aid of AI, so ito po yung monitor ng AI, makikita natin na good product using the green color. Then operator can easily decide, or can easily judge whether the product is okay or defective before proceeding to the next process. Nandito tayo ngayon sa RC production line at makikita nyo rito sa harapan ko ang collaborative robot or cobot. Itong cobot po ay ang nagpa-process ng ating remote control product instead of the operator. But the objective is not to replace the operator, but to aid or to facilitate the work of the operator. This line is making another product of SMK Philippines. The product name is Socket Cable Camera Connectors for Cars. The capacity of this line is around 3,000 pieces per day. Okay, since 2001, SMK is producing touch panel products. Touch panel products requires clean room. Our clean room is class 10,000. So, on my background, you can see some of our processes. On my left is the drying process of the printing. So, you can see there is a blue ink printed on the ITO sheet of glass. By the way, our touch panel application is for car navigation, and some of which are also for electronic dictionary.
Sa loob ng planta, halos bawat segundo ay kalkulado. Mula sa component assembly hanggang sa final testing, mahigpit na standards ang sinusunod bago maipadala ang mga produkto sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. Sa Clark, hindi lamang innovation ang binibigyang prioridad ng CDC. Hinihikayat din ng ahensya ang mga locators na magsagawa ng mga programang nagsusulong ng clean energy sa kanilang operasyon. Noong 2017, nagsimula silang gumamit ng solar power at noong 2023, naging fully operational ang kanilang 1.3 megawatt solar power system.
この設備により毎月の電力使用量の約 30% から 40% をクリーンな再生可能エネルギーで賄っており、工場の安定的かつ持続可能な運営に大きく貢献しています。発電量は天候にもよりますが、月当たり約7万から11万キロワットとなっています。また、これにより電力購入量が削減され、月当たり約50万から90万ペソ程度のコスト削減効果も生まれています。環境面では太陽光発電の導入により、電力会社からの電力使用の一部をクリーンエネルギーに置き換えることで CO2 排出量の削減に大きく貢献しています。当社の太陽光発電は年間で約1ギガワット時の電力を発電しており、
To align with our goal of achieving carbon neutrality by 2045, we have entered into a new electricity supply agreement with First Gen Corporation for the supply of geothermal energy. Well, through this initiative, we have transitioned to 100% clean energy to support our production operations starting in January 2026. This full transition is estimated to reduce carbon dioxide emission by approximately 1,800 tons annually, representing a significant contribution toward our carbon neutrality target. By integrating sustainability in our core operations, we reaffirm our commitment to long-term growth, environmental stewardship, and socially responsible business practices.
Sa likod ng mga makina at makabagong linya ng produksyon, makikita ang direksyon ng modernong manufacturing industry. Mas mabilis, mas innovative, at mas sustainable sa tulong ng AI, automation, at renewable energy initiatives. At dito sa Clark, unti-unting hinuhubog ang industriyang handa para sa makabagong panahon, kaagapay sa layunin ng isang mas maudlad at mas masaganang bagong Pilipinas. Ako po si Attorney Nicolette Henson para sa CDC sa Bagong Pilipinas ngayon.